This might be the best anime keycaps. This is the GMK Mecha from Drop, and I never been so excited for a keycap set before. I loved watching Neon Genesis Evangelion, and the design of this keycap set is based on the iconic purple and green colors of the Unit 01. Drop also sent me the novelties kit, which includes all the angels alongside the Nerve escape key. If you're a fan of the show, I think that this is a must-have in the collection, as the colors and details are beautiful, and I hope they make more colors in the future for the different units. Thank you to Drop for sending out the keycaps, and go check them out using the link in my bio.